Today I'm going to show you how to do 5 life hacks. These are super awesome. The first life hack we're going to do is a rainbow pen, and all you're going to need for this is coloured felt tips. It's so simple. All you need to do is hold one felt tip on the tip of the other. You'll see that the ink from one transfers to the other. And now look what happens if you draw. This is a purple pen, but it's drawing red first. Amazing, huh? You can play around with this. What happens if you do it with yellow? Super cool! This is so much fun and so simple. Look at the different colours. And there you have it, a rainbow pen. Next, I'm going to show you how to keep drinks cool. For this, you're going to need a jug, a cup, some juice, and some ice. So first up, we're going to take our jug and we're going to fill it with juice. Perfect. Now I'm taking a cup and I'm filling it with ice and I'm putting it into the jug of juice. This is a great way to keep your drinks cool without diluting it with ice. Perfect, huh? It's that simple. Now I'm going to show you how to do an awesome crisps dip. So for this, you're going to need a bowl, some crisps, a wine glass, I'm using a plastic camping one, some dips, some blue tack, and finally a spoon. Let's take our wine glass. I'm using some blue tack at the bottom. I'm now going to stick it into the center of the bowl. Now I'm going to spoon my dip into the wine glass. This is great to make it look like you've put in loads of effort. And it's super quick and easy. Once I've put my dip in the wine glass, I'm going to fill the bowl up with crisps. Perfect! And there you have it. Super yummy and easy to dip. Nice work. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a paper clip binder. For this, you're going to need some hole punched paper, a paper clip, and an elastic band. And that's it. I'm going to thread my elastic band through my paper clip. I want to slide it down this end, like so. Now I'm going to thread the elastic band through the hole in the hole punched paper, and then through the other one. Now all you need to do is hook it onto the paper clip. And voila! There you have it. Isn't that super quick and easy? It's a great way to keep all your homework together. Fun! A paper clip binder. Last, I'm going to show you how to make a Tic Tac Pencil Sharpener. So for this, you are going to need some Tic Tacs, a pencil sharpener, a glue gun, and that's it. So first up, we're going to take our Tic Tac container and we're going to get rid of all of the Tic Tacs. You can eat them. Don't eat them all at once though. We now want to take the lid of the Tic Tac holder. We're going to take our pencil sharpener and we're going to glue it to the inside of the opening. This is where it's going to sit. Perfect. So let's take our glue gun and put some glue around the inside. I'm also adding a bit of glue to the pencil sharpener. Watch out, the glue will be hot, so make sure you have a parent present. Now we're going to stick the sharpener on the inside of the lid. I'm using some excess glue to seal it up. Once it's dry, all you need to do is pop the lid back on the Tic Tac container and you have your very own Tic Tac sharpener. Awesome! A Tic Tac Pencil Sharpener. And there you have it, 5 life hacks. Super simple and super quick. Today I'm going to show you how to make a calm down jar. These are super soothing and they look amazing. Pretty. Look at all the different colours. They are mesmerising. Calm down jars. So let's get started. For this you're going to need some glitter glue. I'm using Elmer's. Some sequins, some small figurines, and some clear bottles. So I'm now pouring the glitter glue into a tub of water. Stir it so that it's all mixed together. You'll see that the dye in the glitter glue colours the water. I'm adding my sequins and giving it a good stir. Now I'm adding some figurines to my calm down jars. I've got Anna and Elsa and I'm popping them into a bottle. Then all I have to do is pour the mixture on top. You'll find that the glitter and the sequins have settled to the bottom, so make sure you get them in there. Give it a good shake. And voila! There you have it, your very own calm down jar. Let's take a closer look. These are so soothing, and you can use whatever different colour you like. I've made a blue one as well. It looks like the sea. And there you have it, calm down jars. Today I'm going to show you how to make really lovely bath jellies. So all you're going to need for this is half a cup of clear bath gel, half a pint of boiling water, a glass jar, some food colouring, 1 sachet of gelatine and a spoon. So the first thing we're going to do is to mix up our gelatin. Add the gelatin pack to the water and give it a good stir. And now we're going to add the bath gel. Keep stirring as you add it. This will make sure that it's all mixed together properly. Now we're going to add some food colouring. You can add whatever colour you like. You can even do this a couple of different times and make all different colours. Wouldn't that be cool? Make sure you stir it well. Now we're going to pour it into our jar and let it set. There we go. So now all we have to do is wait. I'm going to make a different colour. This time, I'm going to use some pink food dye. See how the process is exactly the same? And look, after they've hardened, they're like jelly. Isn't that cool? Awesome! You can use that in the bath. And it's completely safe as well. Amazing!